So how to invest in crypto and find coins with 100x probability? Example, ASTRA protocol. I shared this trade in the private list right here yesterday on May 17. We bought this coin for 5 cents and we put a sell order up here at 18 cents. We made 230% profit. Okay, but in order to find this coin, you need a software. That's what I done. I developed this software to track the market, and the software alerted me one specific coin I run with high volume. In order to trade, guys, you need volume. Example, trade recap today. Those trades I share in the private list on the last 3 days. We trade JackPool, FreshCut, ASTRA protocol, DxChain, Furo Combo, Bloomberg, Squid Grow. We focus on volume. JackPool Finance, $9 million in volume. ASTRA Protocol, $47 million in dollar. Overall, today we have trade recap of 625%. I just made $62,000. Okay, how is things done? If you go to CoinMarketCap and script and continue rolling down the page, you're gonna see here you have 10,000 coins almost right here. Okay, how are you gonna trade all those coins? You don't know which coin is gonna pump, right? In order to find those coins, my software calculate buyers versus sellers. That's what we do here. Buyers versus sellers. Most of those trades, they don't go up and down because the power of buyers is the same power of sellers. When you jump and trade on my software, that's what we do here. We focus on coins with less sellers and more buyers. Less sellers and more buyers. So what I do is I share my trades in the private list to increase the buyer power. Okay, so we wait for the coin jump in volume. When the coin jump in volume, my software alert me and I put this coin on my watching list. I just mentioned about ASTRA protocol. Okay, let me give another example. JackPool Finance. Let me make this chart bigger. Okay, I shared this trade in the private list on 16. We bought this coin for 35 bucks and we put a sell order right here at $100. I made this coin 170%. That means $17,000. But I got a volume spike right here. Take a look how long ago. On Sunday, April 23. So this coin was in my watch list. You see the volume spike right here. That means the buyers start to control the market. And some point here is gonna be like a pressure cooker. The price is gonna pump because there is no sellers to compete here. So when I shared this trade in the private list on 16, like I mentioned, we bought for 35, we sold for 100. Why you sold for 100? Because we use a daily resistance. Okay, the sell price is very important. You need to use a daily resistance like I mentioned before. Let me give you another example here, like this first example here, ASTRA protocol. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. I just separate here ASTRA protocol. Pay attention on this on the mouse. Let me make this thing bigger here. Okay, pay attention to the mouse here, right here. Pay attention to the volume. On May 16 the volume is 1.5 million. Okay, take a look at this number. On May 17, the volume is 2.4 million. How much increase? Almost 80%. May 18, the volume is 5.2 million. That's what I'm talking about. We need volume. As far as you have a coin running high volume, that means buyers will control the market. So we buy here and sell up here at daily resistance. So there's a reason I share all my trades in the private list. And all you gotta do is to copy trades. In order to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com, and we will add you in the private list. Also, we can trade for you. Okay, we can trade for you and provide you 25% ROI, return of investment, a week, guys. And also, I will alert you when you should buy and sell the main cryptos, Bitcoin, Shiba, Litecoin. Just to give an example how different is the trade we trade here. Take a look at our charts we trade this week. Price go flat, volume spike, pump, volume spike, pump, 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 pump. Now pay attention on those main cryptos. Looks like those charts, they all similar. There's no much pump because there's no much volume come in the market. We see a lot of volume because this coin has a high market cap, but that we need more volume. We need the volume increase. Like I just gave you the example of ASTRA protocol. ASTRA protocol, the volume pump from 1.5 to $5 million. That's enough. My software alert me, and I share my trades in the private list, because sharing my trades in the private list, we increase the buyer power. Everybody makes money. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. And let's trade together, because together we are strong. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.